In today's video, I am going to teach you how to conduct online proctored exam in Google Forms. We'll start by setting up your quiz and connecting a proctoring tool. Open your existing Google form or create a new one with your questions. When you are ready, click the three-dot menu in the top right and choose Get Add-ons. Search for Extended Forms or Auto Proctor. Then install the one you prefer. During installation, approve the requested permissions so the add-on can manage timing and proctoring features for your form. Once it's installed, you'll see a puzzle piece icon appear at the top of your form. This is where you'll access the add-on. Next, let's configure proctoring. Click the puzzle piece icon. Open your chosen add-on and select Configure. Here you can enable camera and microphone checks, as well as screen or tab tracking options if your add-on supports them. These settings help verify identity and discourage cheating by flagging unusual activity. Keep in mind that proctoring features often require the respondent to grant browser permissions, so it's helpful to let students know the LC prompts to allow camera or microphone access. Choose only the monitoring features you actually need to minimize friction and respect any relevant privacy guidelines. Now set your time controls. In the add-on settings, define the quiz duration with a timer, so the form automatically enforces the time limit. Set a start date and time to open the exam window. If your learners are in different regions, double-check the time zone and clearly communicate the schedule. Some tools let you specify when the link closes. Setting a tight window can reduce unauthorized collaboration. With proctoring and timing in place, configure the quiz settings inside Google Forms. Open Settings and turn your form into a quiz to enable auto-grading. Assign point values to each question, decide whether to release grades immediately or later, and review the feedback options for correct answers. While you are here, consider options like shuffling question order and restricting to one response per person, depending on your policies and the level of security you need. Before sharing, always test. In the add-on, click Preview and run through the entire exam flow. Confirm that the timer starts. The proctoring prompts appear, and responses are recorded as expected. When everything looks good, copy the sharing link from the add-on or the form and send it to your students through your usual channel. Include the start time, allowed materials, and any proctoring instructions so there are no surprises. That's it, your online proctored exam is ready. Thanks for watching.